The death toll from Hurricane Milton stands at 23 tonight, but most of the casualties came in a retirement community hit by dozens of tornadoes.
Thousands are still evacuated from their homes as crews work to restore access to hard-hit areas. The Florida state government says it's focused on keeping supplies flowing. Governor Ron DeSantis announcing the state is offering free gasoline at state fuel depots, and this comes as most gas stations in the state have either run out of fuel or raised prices to the point most can't afford it.
President Joe Biden toured the damage this weekend in Florida. He was briefed by local and federal officials there. And he announced an emergency declaration. It'll allow for 100% reimbursement of debris removal and a new grant to rebuild the power grid.
This funding will not only restore power, but will make the region's power system stronger and more capable and reduce the frequency and duration of power outages while extreme weather events become more frequent.
The president did not meet with Governor Ron DeSantis.